Here's how to draw this in 1 minute or less. Start by setting up the perspective and putting on the buildings as boxes, and then you can start adding details like walls, cracks, and pipes. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to put in elements until it kind of shows like detail without any kind of detail, because what we do here is just sketch stuff according to the perspective lines that you've set up. The rest is just gonna be me adding random shit. So let's add the character now. So I'm choosing to add free reign because I've been watching it for the past week. So I'm adding free reign. Now let's establish the lighting. I mean, the motto here is messy first, masterpiece later. For this step, all you have to do is just decide where the light's coming from and then establish the shadows from there. So the next step is I add an overlay layer, and I kind of like brush some bounce light from the warm sun, and then I like also add the lights for feeling and the cat and more overlay layers. Okay, so all we do here now is just tweak the opacity, the blending modes and stuff until we got our desirable look. Thanks for watching. For like a better look at this artwork, you can follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Ciao.